আসসালামু আলাইকুম প্রিয় চাকরি প্রত্যাশী ভাই ও বোনেরা, আজকের এই ভিডিওতে আমরা দেখব 2023 সালের চাকরির পরীক্ষায় আসা সকল ইংরেজি প্রশ্নের সম্পূর্ণ সমাধান। ভিডিওটি একটু দীর্ঘ হবে। ভিডিওটি না টেনে শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখলে আশা করি চাকরির বিভিন্ন পরীক্ষায় এখান থেকে অনেক প্রশ্ন কমন পাবেন। আসুন শুরু করা যাক। হি পার্টেড ড্যাশ হিজ ফ্রেন্ডস ইন টিয়ার্স, এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গায় প্রিপোজিশন হবে ফ্রম। অ্যাজ দ্য সান ওয়াজ শাইনিং আই ডিসাইডেড টু গো আউট, এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গায় হবে ওয়াজ শাইনিং। দ্য সিনোনিম অফ রিসেন্টমেন্ট ইজ, রিসেন্টমেন্ট শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে বিরক্তি, এটির সিনোনিম হচ্ছে ইন্ডিগনেশন, যেটির বাংলা হচ্ছে ক্ষোভ বা বিরক্তি। 3/4 of the work has been finished. Shakespeare is mostly famous for his plays. By and large means mostly. He could not win but learned a lot. Which parts of speech in the word bird? এখানে bird হচ্ছে conjunction. September on Joshua Road was written by Allen Ginsberg. Panacea means cure all, মানে সর্বরোগের চিকিৎসা। He gave up playing football when he got married, এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গা হবে playing. He left dash home, এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গায় নান, কিছুই হবে না এগুলোর মধ্যে। Choose the correct sentence. How old are you, এখানে সঠিক সেন্টেন্স হচ্ছে how old are you. He ran fast lest he should miss the train. Capital punishment means death penalty. Present indefinite tense কোনটি? He plays cricket, এটি একটি present indefinite tense এর উদাহরণ। কোনটি comparative form of objective? Oats. I am accustomed to such a life, এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গায় প্রিপোজিশন হবে to. English is spoken in many countries. Bablu has written the letter. Choose the correct passive form. এটির passive form হচ্ছে the letter has been written by Bablu. The synonym of nap is slumber. Choose the correctly spelled word annual. ANNUAL. The plural form of ox, oxen. Ox এর plural হচ্ছে oxen. The synonym of ambition, desire. Do not laugh at the poor. কোন প্রকার সেন্টেন্স? Imperative. অয়েল ইওর ওন মেশিন এর সঠিক অর্থ নিজের চরকায় তেল দাও। লুক আউট এর অর্থ কি? দৃষ্টিভঙ্গি। আপেল অফ ওয়ান সাইজ মিন্স এক্সট্রিমলি ফেভারিট। দ্য ভার্ব ফর্ম অফ নেসেসিটি ইজ নেসেসিটেড। টেক ইনটু অ্যাকাউন্ট মিন্স কনসিডার। আই ডোন্ট হ্যাভ মাচ স্পেয়ার টাইম দিস ডেজ। হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোইং ইজ ইনকারেক্ট, এখানে ইনকারেক্ট হচ্ছে হি প্রিভেন্টেড মি ফ্রম গোয়িং দেয়ার। The adjective form of competent is compatible. He said to her, "What a cold day, select the correct indirect speech." এটির indirect হচ্ছে he exclaimed that it was a very cold day. The word is an example of distributive pronoun. I want to lose weight, yet I eat chocolate thinly. This sentence is an compound sentence. Identify the appropriate tag question. He went to Rangpur last week, didn't he? এটি একটি appropriate tag question. The correct passive structure of sentence, let her sing a song. Let a song be sung by her. Find out the antonym of gentle. Gentle মানে হচ্ছে ভদ্র, rude মানে হচ্ছে রূঢ় বা অভদ্র। All that glitters is not gold. Here the word all is an pronoun. An honest person never tells a lie, এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গা হবে an. The man died from overwork. Choose the correct form of verb in the bracket of the following sentence. The girl read the novel since last Saturday, এখানে read এর জায়গায় হবে has been reading. The girl has been reading the novel since last Saturday. Identify the correct spelled word adversity, স্পেলিংটা দেখে নেবেন। The fresh out of the wood means free from difficulties. Complete the sentence with the best option. If you had studied hard, you would have succeeded in the examination. Which one of the following sentence contains the correct superlative degree? The Podda Bridge is one of the longest bridges in Asia. Which one is correct sentence below? Good evening, how are you? এটি correct sentence. Which one of the following is not a plural number? Terminus. Terminus এটি singular. An honest person never tells a lie, এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গা হবে an. ক্যালিগ্রাফি কি? হস্তলিপি বিদ্যা। অ্যান্টোনিম অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ড কনকর্ড ইজ কনফ্লিক্ট। কনকর্ড শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে ঐক্য, এটির অ্যান্টোনিম হচ্ছে কনফ্লিক্ট, যেটির অর্থ হচ্ছে দ্বন্দ্ব। ভিসেস ইন সেলিস অজেমান্ডিয়াস রেফার্স টু ফেস। চুজ দ্য কারেক্ট স্পেলিং। প্রিজারভারেন্স, স্পেলিংটা দেখে নেবেন। স্টিল ওয়াটার্স রান ডিপ, এখানে স্টিল শব্দটি অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। হোয়াট ডাজ দ্য অ্যাব্রিভিয়েশন এডি স্ট্যান্ডস ফর? অ্যানো ডোমেনি। The fresh Achilles heel means a weak point. The idiom put up with means tolerate. Give the antonym of the word transitory. Transitory antonym হচ্ছে permanent. London town is found as a living being in the works of Charles Dickens. Which one is in plural number? Oxen. এটিও oxের plural. Which one of the following writers was not a novelist? W.B. Yeats. Who is the writer of The House of Fame? Geoffrey Chaucer. Which of the following words has been formed with a prefix? Amoral. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. Study of religion is called theology. Identify the word that can be used as both singular and plural. Fish. এটি সিঙ্গুলার এবং প্লুরাল দুটি হিসাবেই ব্যবহৃত হয়। Which word is closest in meaning to franchise? ফ্র্যাঞ্চাইজের meaning হচ্ছে privilege. Honey is very sweet. What is the meaning of the idioms a bad egg? A person who cannot create anything. The word bounty is closest in meaning to generosity. Which of the following is not a verb? Bounden. Choose the correct spelling. Sovereignty, স্পেলিংটা দেখে নেবেন। I cannot afford to pay such high prices. Explain the meaning of bring to pass, cause to happen. Identify the imperative sentence. Stand up. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. The poem Visions of the Past is written by Michael Madhusudan Dotto. Meaning of warrior is soldier, মানে সৈনিক। আর ইউ অ্যাটেন্ডিং দ্য রিসিপশন টুডে, এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গা হবে দ্য। অ্যান অ্যান্টোনিম অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ড ইকুইভোকাল ইজ আনঅ্যাম্বিগুয়াস। দ্য ম্যান ইজ ট্রু টু হিজ ওয়ার্ড। দ্য কোট অল দ্যাট গ্লিটার্স ইজ নট গোল্ড ইজ ফ্রম হুইজ প্লে অফ শেক্সপিয়ার? দ্য মার্চেন্ট অফ ভেনিস। হোল্ড ওয়াটার মিন্স বিয়ার এক্সামিনেশন, মানে পরীক্ষায় টিকে থাকা। বাতিটি নিভাও, চুজ দ্য কারেক্ট ট্রান্সলেশন। পুট আউট দ্য ল্যাম্প। এ প্লেস হোয়ার এভরিথিং ইজ পারফেক্ট, ইউটোপিয়া। দ্য ডগ ইজ রানিং অ্যাট দ্য ফক্স। পেডিয়াট্রিক্স রিলেটেড টু দ্য ট্রিটমেন্ট অফ চিলড্রেন। ওয়ান শুড বি কেয়ারফুল অ্যাবাউট ওয়ানস ডিউটি। Lady Chatterley's Lover was written by the author of The Rainbow. Which is the noun of the word beautiful? Beautiful এর noun হচ্ছে beauty. The word least is the superlative degree of little. Which one is the exact synonym for the word extempore? Extempore এর meaning হচ্ছে পূর্বচিন্তা বা পূর্ব প্রস্তুতি ছাড়া, এটির synonym হচ্ছে impromptu. We read novels, passive voice from. Novels are read by us. Shakespeare is known mostly for his plays. Few and far between means very few. Which is the plural form of mouse? Mouseর plural হচ্ছে mice. Rule of thumb means a rule based on past experience rather than on theory. We sat beside the teacher. I had a talk with him. Here talk is a noun. 5 miles is a long distance. Maiden speech means first speech. Select the right compound structure of the sentence. Though he is poor, he is honest. He is poor but honest. If you work hard, you will succeed in life. এটি একটি complex sentence. Slow and steady wins the race. Pros and cons means merits and demerits. The correct translation of সমাজবিরোধীরা এখনো ধরাছোঁয়ার বাইরে, the antisocials are still at large. Everyone was asleep when a thief entered into our house. Gulliver's Travels is written by Jonathan Swift. Choose the word closest in meaning to the word absorbed. Engrossed. Find out the correct sentence. He and I are present. What is the right synonym of hostile? Unfriendly. Out and out means thoroughly, মানে পুরোপুরি. Find out the wrong sentence. How long do you know Korim? Who is calling me? বাক্যটির প্যাসিভ ফর্ম হবে by whom am I being called? Many men and women aspire to precedence. এখানে কোনো আর্টিকেল হবে না. There are two brothers but of them were honest. এখানে but এর পরে হবে neither of them were honest. Choose the word which is most nearly opposite to the word opaque. Transparent. Opaque মানে অস্বচ্ছ, transparent মানে স্বচ্ছ. Do you know the solution to the problem? I am used to drinking coffee in the morning now. They went to school yesterday, didn't they? We have to deal with our problem. Accommodation is noun. Choose the correct spelling. Achievement. Achievement স্পেলিংটা দেখে নেবেন কোনটি শুদ্ধ বানান মিসপেল I must go there এটি নেগেটিভ হচ্ছে I cannot but go there a stitch in time saves 9 5 liters of milk is contained in the pot it was high time we had changed our habits who can do it বাক্যটির প্যাসিভ ফর্ম হবে by whom can it be done আমি তোমাকে খাওয়াবো এর সঠিক ইংরেজি হবে I shall feed you. The word homogeneous means of the same kind. খাম এর সমার্থক শব্দ কোনটি quite. I wish I were a child again. The patient died before the doctor came. এখানে die এর জায়গা হবে had died. The patient had died before the doctor came. The machinery is working well. What is the noun form of the word successful? Success. Prevention is better than cure. He was taken to task এর অর্থ তাকে তিরস্কার করা হয়েছিল We had better ring him at once. Slow and steady wins the race. Birds fly at large in the sky. He said the earth moves round the sun. বাক্যটি indirect speech হবে He said that the earth moves round the sun. Apple of one's eye means extremely favorite. কোনটি ভার্বাল নাউনের উদাহরণ The writing of a good letter is difficult. Ice floats on the water. The dog will bark if you pull its tail. Who dash this a fool? এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গা হবে has done. Who has done this is a fool. Hardly had he came when it started raining. কোনো সেন্টেন্স হার্ডলি দ্বারা শুরু হলে এর মাঝখানে when হয় Wordsworth was inspired by the French Revolution. The adjective of hardness is hard. Everything hinges upon what happens next. Black sheep means wicked man. কোন বানানটি শুদ্ধ? Bouquet. Brittle এর সমার্থক শব্দ কোনটি? Fragile. The correct translation of সে কঠোর পরিশ্রম করে, তাই না? He works hard, doesn't he? The antonym of perilous is safe. Does he speak English well? এটি প্যাসিভ আছে Is English spoken well by him? The idiom dead letter law not in force. To break the ice ফ্রেজটির অর্থ কি? To start a conversation. Candor এর সমার্থক শব্দ কি? Frankness. Early rising is conducive to health. Maiden speech means first speech. Identify the feminine gender. Show. Fill in the gap. Would you mind closing the window? কোনো সেন্টেন্স would you mind দিয়ে শুরু হলে ভার্বের সাথে ing যোগ হয় Choose the correct singular number. Bacterium. What is the correct translation of যার জ্বালা সেই বোঝে The wearer best knows where the shoe pinches. Who wrote Julius Caesar? William Shakespeare. The word oncology is related to medicine. Ordinary means normal or usual, মানে সাধারণ. Choose the correct one. Life boy. এই বানানটি দেখে নেবেন life boy. In which century was the Victorian period? 19th century. Which one is correct? The captain commanded the soldiers to fire on. The bird flew high. Here the word high is an adverb. Select the correct passive voice of he did for me the unnecessary things. The unnecessary things were done for me by him. I myself went there. Here myself is reflexive pronoun. What is the plural of photo? Photos. What kind of noun is cavalry? Collective. Identify the correct sentence. If you had come, I would have helped you. The phrase keep an eye on means to keep under careful observation. Choose the correct spelling. Auxiliary. Auxiliary বানানটি দেখে নেবেন. Always speak the truth is an imperative sentence. Proclaim means make known publicity. Choose the correct word. The man is trying hard to lose weight. The invigilator made us show our identity cards at the test center. Antonym of the word soothe is irritate. The candles have been blown out by the wind. এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গা হবে out. I could barely make out the traffic sign through the rain. Here the phrasal verb make out means discern. The idiom to sit on the fence means to remain neutral. Choose the correct option. No sooner had we reached the station then the train left. No sooner had এর পরে then হয়. We asked him why he had not telephoned earlier. Select the correct tag question. My sister doesn't like fish. Does she? Choose the correct option. My father doesn't tell a lie and neither do I. What is the adjective form of the word obligate? Obligated adjective হচ্ছে obligatory. Change the form of narration. The teacher said honesty is the best policy. The teacher said that honesty is the best policy. Choose the appropriate article. Can you speak Spanish? এখানে কোনো আর্টিকেল হবে না. I think it may rain today. ড্যাশের জায়গা হবে may. The plural form of personal pronoun my is our. Choose the appropriate linker. I will visit you as soon as I have finished my homework. Put the right form of verbs. My uncle be a source of inspiration of me since I was a young boy. এখানে be জায়গা হবে has been. A person whose head is in the cloud is a daydreamer. Choose the right word. They have pleased their support for our case. He is good at mathematics. Good at, bad at এগুলোর পরে add হয়. He will go to Sylhet on Friday. দিনের নামের আগে preposition on হয়. By any means he will do the work. The debatant could not cope with other players. This cat is fond of milk. It has been raining since morning. The patient had died before the doctor came. You may take English in lieu of Arabic. In lieu of মানে হচ্ছে পরিবর্তে. Commence means start. The cow lives on grass. 10 years is a long time wait. I wish I were a king. Cats and dogs means heavy. The adverb of the word slow is slowly. Synonym of freedom emancipation. Freedom এর synonym হচ্ছে emancipation, স্বাধীনতা বা মুক্তি. He has abhorrence to or. She is absent because of her cold. We are a brave nation. Birds fly at large in the sky. Call in question means doubt. Frailty, the name is woman. Here they is a possessive adjective. Let justice be done though the heavens fall. এখানে to do এর জায়গা হবে be done. He is so dishonest that he cannot speak the truth. Identify the correct simple form of the sentence. He is too honest to speak the truth. I cannot part with my pen. Heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. In Shakespeare's play Hamlet, Hamlet was the Prince of Denmark. Fill in the blank by identifying the correct option. How did you get over at the interview? I saw a herd of cows in the field. Herd of cows মানে হচ্ছে গরুর পাল. এটি কালেকটিভ নাউন. I recognized your voice at once. What type of noun the underlined word is? এখানে voice হচ্ছে common noun. None but Allah can help us. What kind of pronoun? None is. এখানে none হচ্ছে indefinite pronoun. One's fingerprints are different from those of any other person. Leap years, which have 366 days, contain an extra day in February. Every man has potential. Here every is an adjective. Robbie said that no car could go as fast as his car. Look at the flying bird. Here flying is an participle. Synonym of the word anomaly is abnormal, which is the antonym of hypocritical. Sincere. My father works hard. Here the word hard is a adverb. Raju came yesterday. He is an honors graduate. Neither Rini nor Simi is qualified for the job. The mission is under United Nations control. He is good at mathematics. 50 miles is a long distance. At the 11th hour means at the last moment. Select the correct translation for শেহজাদ সাঁতার কাটতে পারে। এটির ইংরেজি ট্রান্সলেশন হচ্ছে শেহজাদ knows how to swim. The man died of cholera. রোগে মারা গেলে এখানে died এর পরে of preposition বসে। The book was lying on the table. Here the word book is common noun. Don't forget to do your homework. She is going to quit her job unless they give her a pay rise. Near the historic monument, there is a bridge over the Thames River. It's first time I have eaten seafood in my life. Nuclear energy is too dangerous to be used widely. The departmental store is open from 8 to 7. If I had money, I would purchase it now. He is looking for either accommodation in flat or shared house. When she was younger, she walked 10 kilometers a day. Oxygen can be mixed with other gases such as hydrogen and nitrogen. Which word is correctly spelled? Bureaucracy spellingটা দেখে নেবেন। The table is made of wood. Find the synonym of the word fostering. Fostering এর বাংলা মিনিং হচ্ছে লালন পালন করা। এটির synonym হচ্ছে nurturing. Select the antonym of the word captivity. Freedom. Captivity মানে হচ্ছে বন্দিত্ব, এটির অ্যান্টোনিম হচ্ছে freedom. Sorry, I am late. My car ran out of petrol. Despite losing the first match, our team has won the World Cup. We eagerly look forward to hearing from you. She came up with a new idea for increasing sales. The class teacher permitted Rahim move to another seat. What is the correct translation of তুমি তোমার ভাইয়ের মতো লম্বা নও? You are not as tall as your brother. All at once means suddenly. It is our duty to obey our parents. এখানে obey হবে। The journey was pleasant. Here pleasant is adjective. The noun form of loss is loss. He is an MA. He has been ill since Friday. I got up at 6 o'clock. I saw you on Thursday. Let us write a letter. বাক্যটির passive form হচ্ছে let a letter be written by us. কোনটি শুদ্ধ বানান? possession. possession বানানটি দেখে নেবেন। ডাবল এস দুইবার রয়েছে এখানে। Do or die is a compound sentence. Look after means to take care. দেখাশোনা করা। What is the verb of short? Short এর verb form হচ্ছে shorten. What is the correct antonym of forbid? Allow. The past participle of the verb short is short. I caught him by the car. What is the masculine form of be? Drawn. He walks as if he were lame. Wolf এর plural form কোনটি? Wolves. A finite verb does not change with the change of gender. Which parts of speech does not have gender? Verb. Which is a possessive pronoun? Mine. Which is a possessive adjective? There. Which is not an adjective? Betrayal. Which word has the maximum number of syllables? Industrialization. এখানে সবচেয়ে বেশি syllable বা শব্দাংশ রয়েছে। Which type of noun is countable? Common noun. Cooked jumped across the fence up the farm and began crowing. None of the 5 girls has short black hair. All of them have long brown hair. এখানে none হবে এবং এখানে all হবে। I am ready to do anything I can do to help you overcome your hardship. Igor is good at tennis than his sister because he has practiced a lot too. Nobody wants to expose themselves. People often hide their feelings. Which conditional sentence uses present indefinite tense in both of the clauses? 0. A lot of people rush to area but most of them failed to find any gold. Fill in the gap with preposition. He died from overeating. Choose the countable noun. Newspaper. What is the superlative degree of good? Best. What is the synonym of ability? Capability. What is the correct spelling? Aggressive. Fill in the gap with article. He is an MA in English. কোন পুস্তকটি চার্লস ডিকেন্সের লেখা? ডেভিড কোপারফিল্ড। হুইচ সেন্টেন্স ইজ কারেক্ট? নেভার টেল এ লাই। ভুল করা মানুষের স্বভাব। ট্রান্সলেট ইনটু ইংলিশ, টু ইট ইজ হিউম্যান। হুইচ ওয়ান ইজ প্লুরাল নাম্বার? অক্সেন। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য অপোজিট জেন্ডার অফ র্যাম? ইউই। দ্য পেশেন্ট হ্যাড ডাইড বিফোর দ্য ডক্টর কেম। হুইচ টেন্স ইজ ইট? এটি হচ্ছে পাস্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স। হি ইজ এ নাইস ম্যান। হিয়ার নাইস ইজ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। The word incredible means অবিশ্বাস্য, unbelievable. পার্ট অফ স্পিচ কত প্রকার? এটি 8 প্রকার। নাউন প্রধানত 5 প্রকার। ডাটা এর সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার ডাটাম। র্যাম এর ফেমিনিন জেন্ডার ইউই। ইংরেজি ভাষার প্রাইমারি অক্সিলারিজ 15টি। বিট শব্দটি পাস্ট ফর্ম বিট। দ্য বার্ডস হ্যাজ ফ্লাউন অ্যাওয়ে, শূন্যের স্থানে ফ্লাউন হবে। The king lived and here. এখানে কোনো আর্টিকেল হবে না। সন্দ্বীপ is a big island. The later part of the book is interesting. এখানে শূন্য স্থানে later হবে। Which one is the noun from horror? Sweetly is a derivative of sweet. তুমি জানো কি সে কে? ট্রান্সলেট হচ্ছে Do you know who is he? তুমি দেখতে তোমার বাবার মতো, সঠিক ট্রান্সলেশন কোনটি? You resemble your father. কোন বানানটি শুদ্ধ? অ্যানিভার্সারি। অপটিমিস্ট এর বিপরীত শব্দ কোনটি? প্যাসিমিস্ট। অপটিমিস্ট মানে আশাবাদী, প্যাসিমিস্ট শব্দের অর্থ হতাশাবাদী। ফ্লেক্সিবল এর সমার্থক শব্দ কোনটি? প্লিয়ান্ট। ইন ডিপ ওয়াটার এর অর্থ কোনটি? সমস্যাগ্রস্ত। ছড়া শব্দের ইংরেজি কোনটি? রেইন। 2 and 2 makes 4. The cow is a usual animal. The antonym of recession boom. Find correct passive voice. Do the sum. এটির প্যাসিভ হচ্ছে let the sum be done. William Shakespeare was born Britain. What is the synonym of competent? Capable মানে সক্ষম। Cricket is a kind of play. It is also a kind of insect. Cricket মানে হচ্ছে ঝিঝি পোকা। I shall join the army. The underlined word is collective noun. এখানে আর্মি শব্দটি collective noun. Run fast or you will miss the train. Here or is conjunction. He has been ill since Friday last. The fresh Sunday means uncertain, অনিশ্চিত. I wish I were a child again. I waited until the plane took off. Mr. Rohim is an FCPS. Find the correct interrogative. None can do this. Who can do this? এটির interrogative হচ্ছে who can do this. Identify the word that remains same in plural form. Canon, এটি সিঙ্গুলার এবং প্লুরাল সেম। I prefer milk to tea. Prefer এর পরে প্রিপোজিশন to হয়। জন কিটস ওয়াজ এ পোয়েট অফ বিউটি। জন কিটসকে সৌন্দর্যের কবি বলা হয়। হি স্ট্যান্ড বাই মি ইন মাই ডিফিকাল্টি। হুইচ জেন্ডার ইজ ওয়ার্ড স্পাউস? স্পাউস হচ্ছে কমন জেন্ডার। স্পাউস শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে হাজব্যান্ড ওয়াইফ। Maiden speech means first speech. Identify the correct spelling. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis স্পেলিংটা দেখে নেবেন। Hold water means bear examination, পরীক্ষায় টিকে থাকা। The word electorate means a body of voters. কোনটি সঠিক? Paper is made from wood. Change the voice. Nobody trusts a traitor. A traitor is not trusted by anybody. Aestheticism relates to appreciation of beauty. They were at Draggers Down. এটির ফ্রেজটির অর্থ আছে তারা শত্রু ছিল। The rain paused and the birds are beginning to sing. They gave me a form and told me to fill it in. The Rape of Lock by Alexander Pope is an mock heroic poem. All for Love is a drama written by John Dryden. They had hardly spoken all evening. এটির বাংলা মিনিং হচ্ছে তারা সারা সন্ধ্যা কোনো কথা বলেনি। Caliban is an important character from Shakespeare, The Tempest. Caliban হচ্ছে দ্য টেম্পেস্টের একটি চরিত্র। Who is the writer of the book Asian Drama? Gunnar Myrdal. The word beguiling means attractive. Which one is an abstract noun? Intelligence. Finishing the letter tonight, Rohim will post it tomorrow. No man can live alone. My brother enjoys playing computer games. Which one is the opposite gender of dear? Dear opposite gender হচ্ছে জয়ী। Which of the following is a common gender? Spouse. I am going to the USA. March 7 is the historic day of Bangladesh. আমার ক্ষুধা নেই, এটির ইংলিশ ট্রান্সলেশন হচ্ছে I have no appetite. তুমি আসলে আমি যাব, এটির ইংরেজি ট্রান্সলেশন হচ্ছে If you will come, I will go. Out of sight, out of mind. এটি একটি প্রবাদ। To err is human. এটির বাংলা হচ্ছে মানুষ মাত্রই ভুল করে। Choose the correct proverb. All that glitters is not gold. চকচক করলেই সোনা হয় না। Computer is being used all over the world at the moment. The correct meaning of the word deliberate. Deliberate শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে ইচ্ছাকৃত। এটির meaning হচ্ছে intentional. Which is one of the synonym of adult? Mature. I hope your dream comes true. Find the correct spelling. Definition. Definition spelling টা দেখে নেবেন। Slow and steady wins the race. I have been living in Dhaka since 2000. I water the plants. The word water is used as verb. এখানে water শব্দটি verb হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে। We need as many people as possible. You had better accept the offer. This could have worked if I had been more far-sighted. What would be the right synonym for initiative? এটির বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে কর্মপ্রচেষ্টা বা উদ্যোগ। এটির synonym হচ্ছে enterprise. Let us begin by looking at the minutes of the meeting. Here minutes means written record. Which of the following word can be used as a verb? Master. Which one is in the feminine form? Be. Beer masculine হচ্ছে drawn. Identify the correct word. Insouciant. এটির বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে উদাসীন। What is the synonym of the word pauper? Destitution. যেটির অর্থ হচ্ছে দরিদ্র বা গরিব। Choose the indirect speech of the sentence. She said to him, thank you. এটির indirect form হচ্ছে she thanked him. Choose the indirect speech of the sentence. She said to him, thank you. She thanked him. The Daffodils is a poem written by William Wordsworth. The singular form of phenomena is phenomenon. Walking in the morning is good for health. Here, walking is an gerund. Identify the correct sentence. Why did he go to Dhaka? What is the single word for a hater of mankind? Misanthropy. মানব বিদ্বেষী, যেটির বাংলা অর্থ। Which one of the following is correct? It is a fact. Identify the masculine gender. Baron. The phrasal verb write off means cancelling a debt. His building is adjacent to mine. Telling lies is a great sin. We are not used to walking fast. Rubber is notable for its elasticity. The antonym for utopia is dystopia. Animal Farm was written by George Orwell. Look before you leap. Let us do the work. What kind of sentence is this? Imperative. What is the antonym for lonely? Crowded. The correctly spelled word is definition. Definition বানানটি দেখে নেবেন। The synonym of energetic is sprightly, প্রাণবন্ত। A writer who steals ideas from others, plagiarist. What is the antonym of shabby? Sober. Apple of discord means object of dispute, বিবাদের কারণ। Choose the passive structure. His comment surprised me. I was surprised at his comment. The adjective of the people is people এর adjective হচ্ছে populous. I visit the Taj Mahal whenever I go to Agra. Hamlet pretended of madness. The science of teaching is called pedagogy. শিক্ষাবিদ্যা বা শিক্ষানীতি। What is the adjective of the word variance? Variance এর adjective হচ্ছে variable. Hamlet, written by William Shakespeare, is a tragedy. Phenomenology is philosophy. Yellow dog means mean fellow. We protested against his tyranny. It being hot day, we remained it the tent. EI in Latin means in English that is. EI এর English হচ্ছে that is. John Keats is known as poet of beauty. Heart is the meaning of advanced fingertips complete knowledge. Knocking out means defeating, পরাজিত করা. Slow and steady wins the race. Honesty is the best policy. এখানে honesty কোন noun? Abstract noun. শূন্যস্থান পূরণ করুন. I saw the man walking in the field. Pass away means die. Which one is correct sentence? Paper is made from wood. Choose the correct sentence. The train is running on time. যথাসময়ে ট্রেন ছাড়া বোঝাতে on time বোঝায়. সেন্টেন্সে প্রাণ বলা হয় কোনটিকে? Verb. To be or not to be, that is the question, is a soliloquy from Hamlet. A rolling stone gather no moss. What is the verb form of habit? Habit এর verb হচ্ছে habituate. He takes pride in his wealth. আমার যাওয়ার কথা ছিল এর সঠিক ইংরেজি অনুবাদ I was supposed to go. The antonym of diligent is indolent. What is the plural number of spectrum? Spectra. Tooth and nails means tried hard. Feminine gender of tiger is tigress. Do or die is a compound sentence. All at once means suddenly. 2 and 2 makes 4. Water has no color. এখানে water কোন ধরনের নাউন? এটি হচ্ছে ম্যাটেরিয়াল নাউন. Sweet are the uses of adversity. Which word is correct? Commissioner. Commissioner স্পেলিংটা দেখে নেবেন. The noun of beautiful is beauty. Which noun is uncountable noun? Rise. Gulliver's Travel is a famous book. Identify plural number. Data. Who wrote Macbeth? William Shakespeare. I am good at mathematics. A man of letter means a scholar. বিদ্বান ব্যক্তি. আমি চা পান করি না, নিচের কোনটি সঠিক? I do not take tea. Early rising is conducive to health. Which one is following is common gender? Infant. এটি একটি common gender যেটি বাংলা মিনিং হচ্ছে শিশু. নিচের কোন বাক্যটি শুদ্ধ? The airport is a busy place. I have written a letter. বাক্যটি কোন টেন্স? Present perfect. He is a one-eyed man. Accept শব্দটির নাউন হচ্ছে acceptance. আমরা সেখানে গিয়েছিলাম, এটির ইংরেজি হচ্ছে we went there. He took me there. এটির প্যাসিভ হচ্ছে I was taken there by him. At home এর অর্থ হচ্ছে familiar with. Which one is the imperative sentence? Sit down. Which one of the following sentences is correct? One of my brothers is a doctor. ডাক্তার ডাকো বাক্যটির ইংরেজি অনুবাদ call in a doctor. তার কোনো বন্ধু নেই বললেই চলে বাক্যটির ইংরেজি অনুবাদ he has few friends. Choose the synonym of stubborn. Obdurate. The antonym of the word awesome. Disgusting. Big buck means important person. Choose the correct word. Laser. Laser spellingটা দেখে নেবেন. Choose the correct sentence. Man is mortal. Verb of the word loss is loss. He is junior to me. All died from overeating. What is the past participle form of the word sink? Sink এর past participle আছে sunk. Make the negative sentence. Always speak the truth. এটি নেগেটিভ হচ্ছে never tell a lie. Which one is not written by William Shakespeare? Paradise Lost. এটি জন মিল্টনের লেখা. Which one is not antonyms of the word plenty? Abundance. এটি অ্যান্টোনিম নয়. plenty মানে হচ্ছে প্রচুর, abundance মানে হচ্ছে প্রচুর. Choose the right one for blank. I saw dash beggar. এখানে হবে a one-eyed beggar. I submitted my graduation dissertation last month. Archaeology is related to the study of human history. I turned the opportunity to account. Identify the correct positive form of the sentence. Milk is most nutritious food. No other food is as nutritious as milk. Identify the meaning of the idiom. An arm and a leg, a huge amount of money. If I were rich, I would travel around the world. Choose the correct sentence. No sooner had he graduated than he got a job. Choose the correct translation. তোমার লৌকিকতা এখন থাক. Just lay aside your formalities. Synonym of indigenous is local. I attended the ceremony and distributed prizes among 3 winners. A celebration of 100 years is called centennial. Which of the following is a verb? Appertain. Choose the past participle of slide. Slide. Choose the simple sentence of I know that they were horribly expensive. I knew them to be horribly expensive. Nomenclature means a system of words used to name things in a particular discipline. Translation into English: রানার ঘুম পাইয়াছে, রানা feel sleepy. What does your father do? He is absent from the class. The report has been published in a leading newspaper. Where dash you born? এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গায় হবে where you born. Choose the correct sentence. If I knew your number, I would call you. Synonym of inhibit is forbid. Identify the correct spelling. Repetition. What is the antonym of the word indifferent? Enthusiastic. Which of the following is a noun? Disaster. Which one is the comparative form of objective oats? এটি হচ্ছে ব্যাটের comparative form. Mouse এর plural number কোনটি? Mice. He has been ill since Monday last. Which one is not an auxiliary verb? Go. Which one is correct? Transparency. বানানটা দেখে নেবেন. He is an MA. We shall have been waiting for him until he comes back. Poor শব্দটির noun হচ্ছে poverty. He is eager for the post. He was accused of negligence. Plural form of the word wolf is wolves. If I were rich, I would help the poor. Which one is not pastime? Homework regularly. She lives at Shahbag. Is has got a trophy for his achievement. The word advise is noun. নিচের কোনটি আর্টিকেল নয়? টু এটি একটি প্রিপোজিশন. কোনটি ব্যতিক্রম? ফেমিনিন. She will look into the matter. De facto means in reality. The plural form of phenomenon is phenomena. Which one is reflexive pronoun? Himself. It was I whom he wanted to sing to. Identify the correct sentence. The girl burst into tears. The teacher entered the class after the student had arrived. I am not used to traveling by bus. Write the name of the parts of speech. Fertile. Adjective. The child is crying for its mother. Child এর পরে its হয়. What is the time by your watch? She is named after her grandmother. The idiom a stitch in time saves 9 means timely action. Which one is correct sentence? Paper is made from wood. What time does the train leave? His boy and his girl has a pen. What is the noun form of the word laugh? Laughter. Choose the correct sentence. Between you and me, I doubt that he will come. Choose the correct pair of words from the following: oceans, bay, continent, peninsula. Bill of fare refers to a list of dishes in a restaurant. Which of the following is used in the feminine form? Earth, moon, দুটি হচ্ছে feminine form. উত্তর হবে both. Which one is the imperative sentence? Sit down. Adjective of the word circle is circular. Who wrote Crime and Punishment? Dostoevsky. Change the voice. Who is calling me? এটির passive voice আছে by whom am I being called? Where do the following lines occur in? Alone, alone, all alone, alone on a white sea, the realm of the ancient mariner. Imperialism, the highest stage of capitalism. Who wrote? V. Lenin. Which is the correct sentence? He is compared to a lion. Maiden speech means first speech. What is the meaning of viva voce? Orally. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. She will have finished the job before he comes. Call to mind means remember. I agree to your proposal. Black sheep এর অর্থ আছে wicked man. Los Angeles has an ideal climate. Lingua franca means a mixed language. For which of the following discipline Nobel Prize is awarded? All of this. Helen of Troy was wife of Menelaus. The correct spelling is humorous. He slept till 8 o'clock. What is the antonym of famous? Famous এর antonym হচ্ছে obscure. The child cried for its mother. The word nuptial is related to marriage. Strike the iron while it is hot is an example of adverbial clues. Which word remains same in plural form? Dear. এটি singular এবং plural দুটোই same. The phrase dog days means hot weather. What is the adjective form of the word people? People এর adjective হচ্ছে populous. She insisted on his leaving the house. The phrase Achilles' heel means a weak point. He does not adhere to any principle. Millennium is a period of 1000 years. Identify the passive form of the following sentence. Who has broken this jug? By whom has this jug been broken? Who is not a Victorian poet? William Wordsworth. Which of the following novels was written by George Orwell? 1984. Identify the correct sentence. She speaks English like the English. When one makes a promise, one must not go back on it. I can't put up with him anymore. Here, put up with means to tolerate. সহ্য করা. The poem To His Square Mysteries was written by Andrew Marvell. The synonym of altitude is height. The character Elizabeth Bennet appears in the novel Pride and Prejudice. This could have worked if I had been more farsighted. What may be considered courteous in one culture may be arrogant in another. Here the underlined word arrogant means pretentious. Don Juan was composed by George Gordon Byron. Identify the imperative sentence. Shut up. Black Death is the name of a plague pandemic. Ulysses is a poem written by Alfred Tennyson, who wrote the poem Ozymandias. P.B. Shelley. Climb Your Bride is the protagonist of the novel The Return of the Native. The train is running at the 40 miles an hour. He divided the money between the two children. No one can deny that he is clever. Choose the right form of verb. The boy to lie on the floor yesterday. এখানে to lie এর জায়গায় হবে lay. She played on the flute. Passive form is the flute was played on by her. Antonym for adieu is hello. Walk fast lest you should miss the train. This is a complex sentence. A number of singers in a church is called chore. Put the right word in the blank. He reached the dash of his literary career. এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গায় হবে acme মানে শীর্ষবিন্দু বা চূড়ান্ত অবস্থা. Anger may be compared dash fire. ড্যাশের জায়গায় হবে to. Choose the correct sentence. He discussed about the matter. Identify the correctly spelled word pneumonia. Pneumonia স্পেলিংটা দেখে নেবেন. n এর আগে p রয়েছে. Desdemona is a character in the following Shakespearean play Othello. Meteorology is related to weather forecasting. The police is looking into the case. We waited until the plane took off. Which word is correct? Proceeds. Gallows এর plural হচ্ছে gallows. এটি singular এবং plural দুটি same. What is the meaning of a white lie? Harmless lie. Which word is correctly spelled? Gogi. Which one of the following words is masculine? Lad. Choose the correct antonym of cynical. Gullible. The train was late despite I managed to arrive on time. Choose the correct sentence. Though he is strong, he is lazy. Who is the author of the novel The God of Small Things? Arundhati Rai. To read between the lines means to grasp the hidden meaning. Who can do it? বাক্যটির প্যাসিভ ফর্ম হচ্ছে by whom can it be done? We shall have been waiting for him until he comes back. De facto means in reality. Who wrote Beauty is Truth, Truth is Beauty? Kids. Hard part of speech is scarcity. Noun. I had breakfast before I started for coffee. এখানে had দুইবার হবে. Which one is the correct passive voice? Two criminals were arrested and one released. The synonym of the word intimidate is frightened. Sit to work without any delay. Which sentence is correct? He and I did our best. Which one is correct? I, you and he is guilty. Would you please find out Bangladesh on the map? সে সাঁতার জানে না, এর ইংরেজি হচ্ছে he does not know how to swim. What is the right spelling? Separate. He died of cancer. Do not make a noise while your father is sleeping. What kind of noun is knowledge? Abstract. Which word is correctly spelled? Miscellaneous. Early rising is conducive to health. In a nutshell means concise. It was high time we had changed our habits. We waited until the plane took off. Which one is in masculine form? Drake. Which sentence is correct? You had better go there. What is the antonym of concord? Conflict. Which sentence is incorrect? He prefers milk than tea. What type of parts of speech is beauty? Beauty হচ্ছে noun. The day of my sister's marriage is drawing near. The underlined word is a এখানে near হচ্ছে adverb. Which one is correct sentence? Guard against misspellings. Just now he has had his dinner but he says he will see you soon. Which spelling is correct? Antithesis. I impressed the lesson upon him. What does impressed mean here? A lesson conveyed to someone. Deceitful means full of tricks. You should not blush with shame at your own mistake. We were no more surprised than Rahman. This sentence means we were surprised as Rahman. Many a man has tried to complete the work. Jakir has been ill for 3 months. I am not good at translation. Which one is the correct sentence? Robbie is taller than I. The word will have changed a lot by 2099. What is cloud computing? Internet-based service. He is an FRCS. What is the masculine form of the word be? Be এর masculine form হচ্ছে drawn. Choose the correct sentence. He speaks English like the English. Identify the noun form of the word simple. Simplicity. Which one is incorrect spelling? Misspell. এখানে double s হবে. 5টা বাজতে 10 মিনিট বাকি। বাক্যটির সঠিক ইংরেজি অনুবাদ কোনটি? It is 10 minutes to 5. Out and out means thoroughly. I would like to leave the place. What is the plural form of louse? Lies. She is good at English. What is the antonym of the word apex? Bottom. What is the passive form of do it? Let it be done. The meaning of etiquette is customary code of behavior. Find the indirect speech of the teacher said to Alam work regularly. এটির indirect হচ্ছে the teacher advised Alam to work regularly. Antonym of the word concord is conflict. With flying colors means very successful. Which word is similar to apple? Dismay. The synonym of obsessed would be fixated. If I had a pen, I would write a letter. If I had a pen, I would write a letter. এখানে write এর জায়গায় হবে would write. The clerk checked us in and gave us our keys. This was first published in 1985. It is high time you shot a job. Fill in the blank. You may go for a walk if you feel like it. Sherlock Holmes was written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. He is friendly with his friends. The underlined word is adjective. Take after which phrase? It is a phrasal verb. Which is plural noun? Gents. Change the voice. Who is calling me? By whom am I being called? Many a little makes a mickle. Read similar to practices. To correct meaning of deliberate is intentional. The passive form of the sentence one must keep one's promises is One's promises must be kept. He speaks as if he were a scientist. The price of sugar are rising. Learn the poem by heart. He was charged with robbery. What is the antonym of honorary? Salaried. The word vital is an adjective. One should be careful about one's duty. I am capable of doing it. He accused the man of stealing. No article is used before a pronoun. Who is the writer of Arms and the Man? George Bernard Shaw. The Tempest is written by Shakespeare. Who is the verb of short? Shorter verb form হচ্ছে shorten. Null and void means invalid. Maiden speech means first speech. The greater the demands, the higher the price. What is the plural form of life? Lives. The nightingale is a singing bird. In this sentence, singing is a participle. Passive form of his conduct annoyed me. I was annoyed at his conduct. Like her brother, she is also an heiress. Who wrote the first English dictionary? Samuel Johnson. What is the past form of it? Eater past form হচ্ছে at. Which of the following is feminine gender? Mare. Mareর masculine হচ্ছে stallion. White elephant means very costly. Choose the right spelling. Lieutenant. Lieutenant spelling টা দেখে নেবেন. The word lunar is related to moon. Parts of speech কত প্রকার? এটি 8 প্রকার. No sooner had he left than I came. Who among you are from class 10? The Tempest is written by William Shakespeare. War and Peace বইটি কার লেখা? লিও টলস্টয়. সে ভাত খায়নি, এটি ইংরেজি হচ্ছে he has not eaten rice. গোধূলি এর ইংরেজি শব্দ twilight. The synonym of dormant is inactive, মানে সুপ্ত বা ঘুমন্ত. Neither Noor nor Noori is qualified for the post. Who is on is common noun? Bank. A herd of cattle is passing. The underlined word এখানে herd হচ্ছে collective noun. Who is on is plural. Princess. Which is the correct masculine form of she has? She has এর masculine form হচ্ছে jackass. What does CV stands for? Curriculum vitae. A Things of Beauty is a Joy Forever was started John Keats. Oliver Twist is a novel. ফুলটি রক্তের মতো লাল এর ইংরেজি অনুবাদ The flower is as red as blood. Translate into English. এতে কোনো সন্দেহ নেই. It admits of no doubt. A cleese is an overused expression. A person who eats human flesh is a cannibal. Howl is the sound of dogs. During my study time, I came upon the beautiful poem. Choose the correct spelling. Chromatography. Shoaib asked Khan not to meddle in his affairs. Here, meddle means interfere. What is the verb form of bath? Bath. শেষে ই যোগ করতে হবে. Every mother loves her child makes it negative. No mother hates her child. Neela said, I must write a letter. The indirect speech is Neela said that she had to write a letter. Shut the door, make it passive. Let the door be shut. The boy was run over by car. The man said, good morning, my friends. Make it indirect speech. The man wished his friends good morning. During our walk along the beach, we noticed the shifting reflections on the undulating surface of the water. The Romantic age in English literature began with the publication of Preface of Lyrical Ballads. Who has written the play Volpone? Ben Jonson. Do or die, make it simple. Without doing, you will die. What is the adjective form of the word people? Populous. What is the feminine gender of the word beauty? Billy. We ought to have saved our environment. Make it passive. Our environment ought to have been saved. What is the study of religion is called theology. A person free from national prejudices looking at the world as his own is called cosmopolitan. The synonym for obdurate is stubborn. An antonym of vertex is throw. Choose the correct spelling. Sovereignty. He, principal, took the round in the college. Here round is an noun. The doctor who treats cancer is a oncologist. I have never seen such a large airplane before. My mother gave me a 1 taka note. Arif as well as Alim was present there. Oval is the adjective of ig. Hard does the idiom to the nail means with utmost effort. Choose the correct sentence. All of it depends on you. The teacher will look over the answer scripts. Identify the correct passive form of open the window. এটির passive form আছে let the window be opened. Change the voice. I know him. He is known to me. Change the narration. Kamal said to me, what is your name? Kamal asked me what my name was. Robert Frost is a famous American author. The poem The Solitary Reaper, written by William Wordsworth. Gitanjali of Rabindranath Tagore was translated by W.B. Yeats. He has no authority over his son. Which one is masculine gender? Called. What is the meaning of out and out? Out and out এর meaning হচ্ছে পুরোপুরি, thoroughly. The book belongs to me. Had I been rich, I would have helped her. He left me yesterday. Correct passive form I was left by him yesterday. নিষ্ফল হওয়া বোঝাতে কোন ফ্রেজটি ব্যবহৃত হয়? End in smoke. What is the assertive form of had I wings of a bird? I wish I had the wings of a bird. I know that he will come here soon. The sentence is a complex sentence. Which sentence is correct? He asked me if I had passed. His new book will come out next week. Which is the correct passive form of the sentence? Let him read novel. Let the novel be read by him. A major concern among archaeologists today is the preservation of archaeological sites, many of which are threatened by development. Androcracy refers to a social system dominated by male. The antonym of colossal is tiny. The synonym of fidelity is loyalty. Which one is incorrectly spelled? Superstitious, এটি incorrectly spelled. একঝাঁক মৌমাছি এর ইংরেজি হচ্ছে a swarm of bees. A rolling stone gathers no moss. The complex form of the sentence is a stone that rolls gathers no moss. অতি আদরে ছেলেটি গোল্লায় গেছে, এটির ইংরেজি হচ্ছে too much indulgence has spoiled the boy. Pennywise pawned foolish. What is the meaning of the word vice versa? The terms being exchanged. To read between the lines means to read carefully to find out any hidden meaning. সব ভালো যার শেষ ভালো তার, এটির ইংরেজি হচ্ছে all's well that ends well. I must do it. Negative form is I cannot but doing this. We are friends. We have known each other for years. No sooner had he left than I came. What is the correct meaning of the word deliberate? Intentional. Which one is correct sentence? Time and tide wait for none. Many a little makes a mickle. ট্রেনটি যথাসময়ে ছেড়ে গেছে এর ইংরেজি অনুবাদ The train has left at right time. Birds fly at large in the sky. Indirect speech of the sentence he said to me thank you is he thanked me. I wanted the poster to be hung. If I had a pen I would write a letter. Write এর জায়গায় হবে would write. Choose the correct spelling ETQT. We waited until the plane took off. Which of the following is always feminine gender? She. The problem is anything but easy. The word but in the sentence is a preposition. If I had gone to bed early, I could have caught the train. Which of the following word is in singular form? Addendum. Slow and steady wins the race. Out and out means thoroughly. To take a leap in the dark means to do hazardous thing without an idea of result. কোনটি feasible শব্দের সমার্থক? Practicable. Let him sing a song. বাক্যটির সঠিক পরিবর্তিত ভয়েস হবে let a song be sung by him. কোনটি শুদ্ধ বানান? Commemorate. By all means অর্থ certainly. He is poor but honest. কনজাংশন হলো but, এখানে but হচ্ছে কনজাংশন. কোনটি abstract noun? Humility. If we had a boat we would cross the river, এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গা হবে would cross. Tooth and nail এর অর্থ হচ্ছে completely. Antonym of the word doctrine, error, কোনটি শুদ্ধ বানান? brochure. Root and branch অর্থ completely. কোনটি শুদ্ধ বাক্য? he appeared at the examination. I went there on my bike, এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গায় প্রিপজিশন হবে on. He sleeps a sound sleep. Sound শব্দটি adjective. My brother has no interest in music. In a nutshell ফ্রেজটির অর্থ briefly. Anwar said, let him say whatever he likes. বাক্যটির indirect speech হচ্ছে Anwar said that he might say whatever he liked. কোনটি কমন নাউন? পাইরেট. মাদার লাভস মি, বাক্যে লাভস হচ্ছে ট্রানজিটিভ ভার্ব. কোনটি রিফ্লেক্সিভ প্রোনাউন? মাইসেলফ. কোনটি শুদ্ধ বানান? স্যাটেলাইট. কোনটি শুদ্ধ বাক্য? হি ক্যানট প্রোনাউন্স দ্য ওয়ার্ড. উই মাস্ট লিসেন টু হিজ ওয়ার্ডস, বাক্যের পরিবর্তিত ভয়েস হিজ ওয়ার্ডস মাস্ট বি লিসেন টু. লাভস অ্যান্ড ফিশেস ফ্রেশের অর্থ পার্সোনাল গেইন. হোয়াট ইজ দ্য নাউন অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ড ওয়েস্ট? ওয়েস্টের নাউন হচ্ছে ওয়েস্টেস. No article is used before a pronoun. প্রোনাউনের আগে আর্টিকেল ব্যবহৃত হয় না. He knew it was a very risky operation, but he was determined to carry it out. A philanthropist is someone who is rich and helps the poor and the needy. Parcel meaning piece of land. Change the speech. The boy said to me, let me go now. The boy told me that he might be allowed to go then. Choose the correct meaning of the idiomatic phrases. Put something off. Postpone or cancel a meeting or an engagement. A synonym of genesis is beginning. কোনো কিছু শুরু করা. The antonym of incipit is exciting. The Rainbow is a novel by D.H. Lawrence. Deciduous trees are trees those lose the leaves annually. A group of dogs is called a pack of dogs. What is the group of lions called? A pride of lions. Which of the following sentence is correct? He was disguised lest he should be recognized. What kind of noun is river? River হচ্ছে common noun. What is the verb form of the word ability? Ability verb হচ্ছে enable. I am looking for someone who can play the piano. I finally killed the fly with a rolled up newspaper. Who is the author of 1984? George Orwell. Find out the Bangla meaning of wait on. Sheba kora. The boy said, I would rather starve than beg. Sweet are the uses of adversity is quoted from Shakespeare as you like it. Which of the following sentences is correct one? My father was in hospital for 6 weeks during the summer. Which one is the correct sentence? Robbie is taller than I. Where is the setting of the play Hamlet? Denmark. The day of my sister's marriage is drawing near. The underlined word is a adverb. The word meaning of bounty is close to the word generosity. Do you enjoy teaching? Here teaching is a gerund. Just now he has had his dinner but he says he will see you soon. Which spelling is correct? Antithesis. What is the adjective form of the word people? Populous. Deficit means full of tricks. You should not blush with shame at your own mistake. She went away dancing. What is sonnet? A poem of 14 lines. Who wrote Beauty is Truth, Truth is Beauty? Keats. The poem The Patriot is written by Robert Browning. Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice is a comedy. Bird's eye view means a raw idea. What is the Bengali meaning of hard and fast? Badha dhara. If someone does not make sense, it is not logical. The passive voice of shut the door is let the door be shut. Choose the correctly spelled word succession. Would you mind having a cup of coffee with me? The word wisdom is a noun. Which one is feminine gender? Beach. Many a little makes a mickle. What is the correct Bengali translation of the above proverb? বিন্দু থেকে সিন্ধুর সৃষ্টি হয়. The driver got into the car. Meter is a unit of length. The antonym of the word delete is insert. The expression birds of same feather means person of similar nature. The idiom cats and dogs means rain very hard. Select the correct sentence. The roads of Dhaka are wider than those of Faridpur. How much longer will you be needing this book? The news was too good to be true. Did you hear the president's speech? She has only a few friends. I went to the movies with some friends last night. Which gender is the word orphan? Orphan হচ্ছে common gender. The police are looking into the case. এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গা হবে into. He has been ill since Monday last. To read between the lines means to find out hidden meaning. The antonym of repulse is attract. Verdict means judgment. কোনো কিছু বিচার করা. She preferred rice to bread. Which one is correct? Decisive. স্পেলিংটা দেখে নেবেন. Dhaka is becoming one of the busiest cities in Asia. সে আমার মনের মতো লোক. এটির ইংরেজি হচ্ছে He is a man after my heart. The train has already arrived from Rangpur. The girl is trying hard to lose weight. Which is the correct sentence? He insisted on seeing her. Karim died from overeating. Atrocity means violence. Which one is correct? It is 10:15. Who is the father of English literature? Geoffrey Chaucer. By all means certainly. He waited until the plane took off. Which word is correctly spelled? Miscellaneous. Bounty is the plants as zoology is to animals. এটি একটি analogy. Which is correct sentence? It is I who am to blame. What is the synonym of competent? Capable. Who is known as the poet of nature in English literature? William Wordsworth. The meaning of crying need is urgent need. Put the correct article. He is a university student. Smoking affects our health. She studied Bangla at Dhaka University. The word sibling means a brother or sister. Who, which, what are relative pronoun. Do it at once. এর passive voice হচ্ছে let it be done at once. Choose correct words to complete the sentence. This bump has listened your pain, hasn't it? Correct spelling is questionnaire. Questionnaire spellingটা দেখে নেবেন. I wish you could solve the problem. Camouflage means disguise. Which two cities are referred in A Tale of Two Cities? London and Paris. The price of rice is rising. A remedy for all diseases, panacea. Justice delight is justice denied was started by Gladstone. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. Like a sitting duck means vulnerable. Where is the setting of the play Hamlet? Denmark. Shakib Al Hasan delivered a six over the boundary. The word meaning of bounty is close to the word generosity. Do you enjoy teaching? Here, teaching is a gerund. Just now has had his dinner, but he says he will see you soon. Which spelling is correct? Antithesis. What is the adjective form of the word people? People এর adjective হচ্ছে populous. I could not park the limousine. It is right now on the way. You should not blush with shame at your own mistake. Find the indirect form the sentence thanks my friends. এটির indirect হচ্ছে he thanked his friends. Find the passive form of the sentence the news will shock you. You will be shocked at the news. He was so absorbed in this book that he didn't notice the time passing. The tree has been blown away by the storm. They traveled over the mountains to reach the remote village. Choose the correct meaning. He raised his eyebrow at my explanation. Show surprise or disapproval. The antonym for recalcitrant is compliant. The synonym for obdurate is stubborn. The term genesis is same as beginning. Which of the following is the opposite of the word ingenious? Incompetent. Running is a good exercise. Here running is gerund. Fill in the blank with right option. I am looking forward to seeing you. Select the correct sentence from the following options. The man who stole my bag was tall. Fill in the blank with correct phrase. He would have been arrested if he had tried to leave the country. The expression after one's own heart means to one's own liking. The verb of the word hallucination is hallucinate. The verb of the word public is publish. The correct form of the sentence who can do it? এটির passive হচ্ছে by whom can it be done. The indirect form of he said let me have some milk. He wished that he might have some milk. There is no rose but thorn এর বাংলা অনুবাদ দুঃখ বিনা সুখ লাভ হয় কি মোহিতে. Which gender is the word she? Feminine. 1.5 mangoes is enough. এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গা হবে is enough. I have a pain in my leg. The Himalayas is to the north of India. এখানে ড্যাশের জায়গা হবে to. Which one is plural? Formulas. এটি plural form. Identify the correct spelling encyclopedia. Choose the correct spelling etqt. My uncle arrived while I was cooking the dinner. Use an article. He is an MBBS. Put an appropriate preposition. Call in a doctor. Pediatric relates to the treatment of children. He is deficient in learning. The phrase make good means to compensate. Cowards die many times before their death. The extract is taken from Shakespeare's Julius Caesar. The word nuptial is related to marriage. I triumphed over troubles. Who among the following is not a novelist? W.B. Yeats ইনি novelist ছিলেন না. An appropriate translation of the sentence সে কি গতকাল এসেছিল এর ইংরেজি হচ্ছে did he come yesterday. The active form of the door should be kept shut is you should shut the door. The team is made up of 11 players. I am very busy. Here very is adverb. Which one is the correct sentence? The accident happened at night. The correct spelling is playwright. I would rather strap than bake. The phrase die in harness means die in business. Open the window. Identify the correct passive form. Let the window be opened. Mr. Rahim had his car washed with BDT 500. Identify the correct sentence. Bread is usually made from wheat. The correct sentence is I wish I were a king. The antonym of gentle is rude. Which one is the correct spelling? Sweet name. এটির বাংলা মিনিং হচ্ছে ছদ্মনাম. Trees have cast off their leaves. Paradise Lost is written by John Milton. What kind of noun is man? Man হচ্ছে common noun. Break a leg means good luck. A man of straw means a man of no substances. Put the right form of verb. Many flowers bloom every day. এখানে bloom এর জায়গায় bloomই হবে. বৃক্ষ থেকে পাওয়া সবচেয়ে বড় উপকার হলো অক্সিজেন. এটি ইংরেজি হচ্ছে the most important benefit that we get from trees is oxygen. In English grammar, syntax deals with the formation of sentence. What would be the right antonym for initiative? Initiative এর antonym হচ্ছে indolence. Man is a political animal. Who said this? Aristotle. What is the masculine gender of mayor? Mayor এর masculine হচ্ছে stallion. In many ways, riding a bicycle is similar to driving a car. The expression take into account means consider. Which one is correct spelling? Laser. The people who carry a coffin at a funeral are called pallbearers. Neither Rini nor Simi is qualified for the job. Fill in the blank. One should be ashamed of telling a lie. He assisted me in answering the question. Mehrab is on the phone right now. Choose the correct sentence. It rained last night. Choose the correct sentence. You came late today. Put off your shoes before entering the mosque. The proper function of the phrase is surely to provide the man in the street with facts. As the sun was shining, I decided to go out. There is no reason for being absent. What are you so angry about? He gave up playing football when he got married. What is the past form of put? Puter past form আছে put. Who is the writer of Gulliver's Travel? Jonathan Swift. What is the passive form of I know him? He is known to me. Fill in the blank. I am waiting for an hour. What is the translation of money begets money? এটির বাংলা হচ্ছে টাকায় টাকা আনে. Which sentence is correct? I felt his pulse. The woman is carrying a bundle of clothes. I have no interest in the matter. Which one is the singular? Curriculum. It is singular form. Find the feminine gender. Duck. I meet a person whom I never saw earlier. There is a cow in the field. She was absent because of her cold. I am badly in need of money. Maiden speech means first speech. The word dilly-dally means waste time. The correct spelling is humorous. Which one is countable noun? Many books. Elias talked to her friend. Here, her is pronoun. The past participle of exciting is excited. Who, which, what are relative pronoun. What is the adjective of the word heart? Heart adjective is heartening. What is the antonym of honorary? Salaried. What is the author for whom the bell tolls? Ernest Hemingway. This is a unique opportunity. Parent gender. Parent gender হচ্ছে এটি common gender. নিচের কোন শব্দটি adverb? Quickly. নিচের কোন শব্দটি relative pronoun? That. নিচের কোন শব্দটি verb? Interest. Heart শব্দটির adjective হচ্ছে heartening. Some days have passed since my father died. Rana as well as Jhuma is happy. I agree with you to the proposal. He is an MA. CV এর meaning হচ্ছে curriculum vitae. Out and out এটির meaning হচ্ছে thoroughly. A bodyguard provides one with protection. I saw a one-eyed person. 10 years is a long time to wait. Notion শব্দটির সঠিক synonym হলো impression. It is I who am your teacher. There is a breeze over the river. It is high time we returned home. He was angry with me for no reason. A fair little girl sat under a tree. এই বাক্যটির প্রিপোজিশন কোনটি? এখানে আন্ডার হচ্ছে প্রিপোজিশন. The sum is much easier. It is you who are to blame. The news shocked him. এর passive form হচ্ছে he was shocked at the news. Call it a day বাক্যটির সঠিক অনুবাদ হচ্ছে পুনরায় শুরু করা. Which of the following words is a antonym for ingenious? Ingenious এর অ্যান্টোনিম হচ্ছে incompetent. নিচের কোনটি সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার নয়? এজেন্ডা এটি প্লুরাল. The new king did not take after his father. এই বাক্যটির আন্ডারলাইন করা ফ্রেজটির সঠিক মিনিং কোনটি? resemble. resemble এর মিনিং হচ্ছে সাদৃশ্য বা একই রকম. Fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. You should abide by the rules of the hostel. Which of the following sentence is correct? Tell me what life is. What is the noun of solvent? Solvent এর noun হচ্ছে solvency. Birds of the same feather flock together. এখানে শূন্যস্থানে হবে feather. The antonym of imprudent. Judicious. Hard not to crack means a difficult problem. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. এটির পয়েন্ট হচ্ছে জন কিটস. Identify the correct spelling. Incumbent. Complete the sentence. If we study it well, we might pass. I have no aspiration for riches. It is our central library. The underlined word is a adjective. এখানে central হচ্ছে adjective. What is the noun of the word do? Do এর noun হচ্ছে did. The verb of variation is vary. Which one is a plural noun? Crisis. Hardly means almost never. A statement based on supposition is said to be hypothetical. Past participle form of telecast is telecast. Full expression of NB is nota bene. Are you on the right track? I am hand and glove with him. Here hand and glove means very intimate. Which of the following word is an uncountable noun? Milk, এটি uncountable noun. Plural form of the word toy is toys. Which of the following word is collective noun? Team. 50 miles is a long way. Neither he nor you are found guilty. Every day I get up at 6 o'clock. Antonym of the word rotate is stay. Which is correctly spelled committee. কমিটিতে দুইটি এম এবং শেষে দুইটি ই রয়েছে. If you had a boat, you would cross the river. He takes after his father. The lady prides herself upon her beauty. Of the 4 books, the red one is the cheapest. There is a little milk in the glass. The opposite of the word delete is insert. Which one is a reflexive pronoun? Myself. What is the meaning of the phrase at large? Free. Aroni has no interest in music. What kind of noun is the word kindness? Abstract. He looked at me with his red eyes. He has assured me of safety. I was angry with him at his behavior. With whom did you go there? He works for a bank. He is an honest man. He joined the army. Which one is plural? Scissors. এটি হচ্ছে plural form. Which one is imperative sentence? Read more and more. Which one is feminine gender? Duck. Past participle of hang is hung. Synonym of enlarge, expand মানে বর্ধিত করা. The idiom break a leg expresses good wishes. Find the antonym of tangle. Unravel. Choose the correct sentence. The boys are playing. Translate in English. সে কি এই খবরটা পেয়ে থাকবে? Will he have got this news? Please come in. Here in is adverb. What is the passive form of the sentence? We teach him a good lesson. He is taught a good lesson by us. Which of the following is correct? 20 miles is a long distance. Which one of the following spelling is correct? Millennium. Millennium spellingটা দেখে নেবেন. Millennium, lieutenant, miscellaneous স্পেলিংগুলো দেখে নেবেন. Which is considered the father of English poem? Geoffrey Chaucer. By and large means mostly. Identify the correct spelling. Questionnaire. The passive form of the sentence don't waste your time is let not your time be wasted. Ode to the West Wind is written by Shelley. I would have worked if I had been more cautious. Article কত প্রকার? 2 প্রকার. কোন আর্টিকেলের ব্যবহারটি অশুদ্ধ? দা এভারেস্ট. এভারেস্টের আগে দা বসে না. কোনটি ভার্বের পাস্ট ফর্ম? হেলথ. কোনটি বহুবচন? অক্সেন. এটি অক্সের প্লুরাল ফর্ম. কোনটি স্ত্রীলিঙ্গ? লেস. ল্যাডের স্ত্রীলিঙ্গ হচ্ছে লেস. মে বাংলাদেশ প্রসপার ডে বাই ডে. কোনটি পুরুষলিঙ্গ? ড্রেক. হি মেড মি ড্রাইভ দ্য কার. নিচে কোনটি অ্যাডজেক্টিভ? পিয়াস. বাতিটি নিভাও এর ইংরেজি হচ্ছে পুট আউট দ্য ল্যাম্প. ম্যান হ্যাজ নো স্কেপ ফ্রম ডেথ. নিচের কোনটি কম্পারেটিভ ডিগ্রি? মোর. কোনটি পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি? বোল্ট. সুপারলেটিভ ডিগ্রি হচ্ছে বেস্ট. গুড, বেটার, বেস্ট হচ্ছে সুপারলেটিভ ডিগ্রি. ড্রিম শব্দটি নাউন এবং ভার্ব দুটি. কুক অ্যান্ড বুল স্টোরি মিন্স এ ফলস স্টোরি. নিচের কোনটি অশুদ্ধ? অ্যান ইউনিভার্সিটি. ইউনিভার্সিটির আগে আর্টিকেল এ হয়. আমি গতকাল পরীক্ষা দিয়েছি এর ইংরেজি অনুবাদ কোনটি? আই অ্যাপিয়ার্ড ইন দ্য এক্সামিনেশন ইয়েস্টারডে. নিচের কোনটি শুদ্ধ বানান? রেস্টুরেন্ট. হ্যামলেট কার লেখা? শেক্সপিয়ার. হোয়াট ইজ দ্য কারেক্ট প্লুরাল ফর্ম অফ ক্রাইসিস? ক্রাইসিসের প্লুরাল হচ্ছে ক্রাইসেস. এখানে শুধু আই এর জায়গায় ই হবে. হু রোড দ্য স্ট্রেঞ্জ কেস অফ ডক্টর জ্যাকেল অ্যান্ড মিস্টার হাইড? আর.এল. স্টিভেনসন. I was amazed at the amount he could eat. Here the word amount is a noun. Synonym for benign is kind. Identify the correct sentence. I can hardly wait for the weekend. Choose the correct prepositions. She had faith in and hopes for the future. I.e. stand for earnest, which means that is. Choose the correct spelling. Embarrass. Embarrass স্পেলিংটা দেখে নেবেন. fill in the blank. The police made the suspect lay on the ground. Choose the word opposite in the meaning to the word vivid. এটির opposite হচ্ছে vague. Fill in the blank. Although the arguments were rational, we was not convinced. Which playwright wrote the famous comedy As You Like It? William Shakespeare. You are requested to open the door. The active form of the above sentence is please open the door. A skeptic is one who has doubt about things that other people believe. Jane's narration. She said to me, "Do you know my father?" She asked me if I knew her father. What is the superlative form of bad? Worst. Use the correct verb. The farmer raises chickens for a living. He was bent on proving his innocence. Here the idiom bent on means determined. To end in smoke means to come to nothing. Identify the correct sentence. The girl burst into tears. What is bibliography? Collection of books. Fill in the blank with the right form of verb. When I had my dinner, I went to bed. They should have a talk with other. The underlined word talk is a noun. The incident happened before my very eyes. Beauty is truth. Truth is beauty. Written by John Keats. The students wear blue uniform. Here the word wear can be replaced by put on. মানে পরিধান করা. Misanthropist means one who hates mankind. Neither of the books was interesting. Which of the following words is not related to laughing? Screaming. Fill in the blank with the correct phrase. The convict would have been arrested if he had tried to leave the country. The first speech of life is the maiden speech. Choose the correct sentence. Have you ever been to London? Do not take a blind man to task. Rubina is looking forward to going America. War and Peace is a novel. What is the synonym of apex? Acme. Choose the right word to fill in the blank. It is your task to make sure the flow of traffic without interruption. What type of noun is kindness? It is a abstract noun. He had a bad headache. If you read, you will learn. The sentence is, it is a complex sentence. Cat sleep means pretension of sleep, মানে ঘুমের ভান করা. A synonym for synergy is alliance. Gitanjali of Rabindranath Tagore was translated by W.B. Yeats. An ordinance is a law. The word respond is a verb. What is the Bengali meaning of time is up? এটির meaning হচ্ছে সময় শেষ. Identify the correct spelling. Parliament. Who is the author of A Farewell to Arms? Ernest Hemingway. He died from the injury. The French refers to the French people. The correct spelling is perceive. A drowning man catches at a straw. I will write down the phone number in case I forget. Brochure means pamphlet. Salt of life stands for valuable thing. Which one is singular? Hypothesis. এটি প্লুরাল হচ্ছে hypothesis. I এর জায়গায় ই হবে. He has not been here since Christmas. এই ছিল আজকের ভিডিওটিতে কোনো ভুল ত্রুটি থাকলে কমেন্টে জানাবেন এবং 2023 সালের বাংলা ও সাধারণ জ্ঞান এবং 2024 সালের বাংলা ইংরেজি ও সাধারণ জ্ঞান প্রশ্নের সমাধান ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে দেয়া থাকবে, আপনারা লিংকে প্রবেশ করে দেখে নেবেন। আর ভিডিওটি থেকে আপনারা উপকৃত হয়ে থাকলে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকবেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।